Are you tired of slaving away, trying to create digital products from scratch? I mean, seriously, who has the time?
Digital products? You know I'm a musician, right? I write songs.
Exactly. Think bigger, Liam. What if I told you there's a way to get like 1,000 plus ready to sell digital products in one click?
1,000? Doing what?
Anything. Ebooks, online courses, printables. I use this EKitHub thing, their entire PLR shop closing sale, and I made 5 grand in just 30 days. And today I'm going to show you how.
5 grand? Selling what? Cat memes?
Better than cat memes. Look, most beginners waste months trying to write ebooks or design courses. But with this PLR bundle, you get instant access to all this done for you stuff. Full commercial rights,
Commercial rights? Meaning?
meaning you can sell it. On Etsy, no design skills needed. You can flip them as online courses, just slap your branding on it. Or use them as lead magnets to grow your email list.
My email list consists of my mom and a few guys from the band.
Details, details. The point is, it's only 47 bucks for everything. But it's a limited time closing sale. Want to grab this deal before it's gone forever? I'll send you the link. Plus, I've done a full written review on my LinkedIn. Linked in the description.
LinkedIn? Seriously? I thought that was just for corporate types.
Hey, it works. Anyway, I'm telling you, I took just 5 PLR ebooks, customized them in 10 minutes each, listed them on Etsy,
And?
and I made $5,000 in my first month. If I can do it, so can you.
5,000? That's like a whole new guitar.
More than that, buddy. This is your last chance, though. This EKitHub thing, they're closing up shop. Once it's gone, it's gone. 1,000 plus digital products for under 50 bucks? It's insane.